Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a favorites list on the Bershka app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Bershka app, go to the search and go by clothes, and if you like some items you can tap on it. And on the bottom right corner, you can see this heart-shaped icon. If you tap on it, then you add it to your favorites. Go like this with more clothings. And if you go back on the bottom in the menu bar, you can see this heart-shaped icon. If you tap on it, you can find your items, what you put in your favorites. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.